Hello, I'm here today to go over your activity. Today's activity is called the Science Lab Equipment and Tools Activity. So it's a little bit easier for you if you zoom in a little bit. I'm going to zoom into 100%. That might be very beneficial for you guys. So as you can see on your Google slide here, you have a laundry list of all the different types of science equipment that you will be using this year in our classes. I do want to let you know that we are going to hopefully do a show and tell so you can actually see these things in person. But if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you were absent, so you didn't get to see them in person. But the pictures are good enough for you to kind of know what they do. So your goal is to take these activities or these blocks of words and identify what they are. So you have all of these. Some are already provided, like that's a pipette, a ring stand, a boiling flask. Some are already provided for you, but most of them you're going to have to fill in. Okay. And you're going to just basically drag and drop from slide 1. On slide 2 and slide 3, again, I zoomed in so it's a little bit easier for you to see. But you're going to take whatever the piece of science equipment is, and you're going to match it to its function. So like this one says used for measuring mass in grams. So you're going to look at what part or what science tool, and you're going to try and match that accordingly. Okay, so that's your couple answers. That's on slide 2. And then on slide 3, there's 2 more. Okay, so that's your first activity. The second activity is going to be this activity. And again, it shouldn't take you too long. It's a very similar drag and drop activity. You're first going to tell me what these science tools are. This third one is done for you, the spring scale. We don't really use that in 8th grade science, but the others we do. So I wanted to make sure you knew what the name was, what is it measuring, and then what are the units that are used for. So both of the science lab equipment tools, as well as this single slide, is what you're going to be working on today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We would love to help you.